हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू वीआर क्लासेस। आज का टॉपिक बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है। इसमें आई विल टेल यू हाउ एटम्स कंबाइन विद ईच अदर टू फॉर्म ए केमिकल कंपाउंड। ऑल द एटम्स आर इन एलिमेंटल फॉर्म, दे आर न्यूट्रल, but they combine together when they convert in ions. Now I will discuss today the formation of sodium oxide. Sodium oxide is formed by two atoms of sodium and one atom of oxygen. Sodium atom, as it is neutral and its atomic number is 11, its electronic configuration is 281. It has the tendency to lose one electron to complete its octet. So by giving one electron, it forms sodium ion, that is cation. Now the oxygen atom, which has 8 atomic number, its electronic configuration is 2 and 6. It has tendency to gain 2 electron to form an anion. So when these atoms which are neutral, they convert into ions, they have electrostatic force and they will try to attract each other. Now sodium atom which have one electron, suppose this is one electron, since in the formula there are two sodium atoms, so we will take two sodium atom and showing the outermost orbit electron, valence electron only, because only valence electron is transferred from one atom to another. So here we will take, these are two atoms, sodium atoms, and it combines in one oxygen atom. We will take one oxygen atom here and we will show the outermost orbit electron, that is valence electron, because oxygen has 6 valence electrons. Now first they convert into ions. Now the sodium ion will have their electron tendency, it will transfer its one electron to the oxygen, while the another atom also gives its electron here. So 2 electrons of sodium will be transferred to oxygen. Now this sodium atom also has complete octet and oxygen also has its complete 8 electrons. So their octet is complete. They will form in sodium ion, cation, and this cation is positive charge, and while oxygen are 2 atoms, -2, and they are 2, so we can write here 2 sodium atoms. We can write 2 sodium atom here, we can also write here also. Now these 2 sodium atoms will combine Na2O. Now you can try yourself by forming calcium, formation of calcium chloride. Calcium chloride, calcium atom has 12, 2, 8, 8, 2, and it has tendency to lose its outermost electron to form calcium ion, while chloride ion has atomic number 17 and its atomic number is 287. So its tendency is to gain one electron. So minus one electron, it will form, by gaining electron, it forms an ion. Now this calcium and chloride will combine together. Calcium plus 2 chloride atoms, they will have 7. There 2, 2, 2, 4, 6 and 7, and calcium has 2 electrons in outermost orbit. So 1 electron will transfer there, 1 here, and they will form cation. 2 and 2 chloride atoms, we can write chloride atom here, -1, and they will form calcium chloride. In this way, the formation of the bond formed by transfer of electron, they are formed electrovalent or ionic bond, because they are strong electrostatic force. So this force is very strong. Thank you.